Today, we are demonstrating how to use SmartStrip Advanced Paint Remover. SmartStrip Advanced can be used on virtually any surface and removes multiple layers of oil, latex, acrylic, and water-based paints, varnishes, and stains, usually in a single application. All you need is a brush, Dumond Laminated Paper, which is sold separately, a scraper, water, and a scouring pad. SmartStrip Advanced is water-based and contains no caustic chemicals of any kind, though gloves and eye protection are always recommended. Before you begin, perform a small test to make sure Advanced is compatible with your coating and surface. To start, apply the product directly to the surface with a brush or airless sprayer, depending on the size of your project. Make sure you apply a thick enough coat so you cannot see the color of the surface through it. Once a section is fully covered with Advanced, apply the laminated paper to keep the remover wet and working. Make sure to smooth out any air bubbles that may form. Then, move on to the next section and repeat the process until the entire project is covered. Now we wait. Be patient. Dwell time can take anywhere from 15 minutes all the way up to 24 hours. Periodically check to see if the layers are ready to be removed by checking a small section under the paper. Once you see the layers are coming up easily, you are ready to remove them. Remove the laminated paper in sections so the rest of the project does not dry out. Take your scraper and simply scrape away the paint remover and old paint. The laminated paper will help collect the waste, making the cleanup easy. Once you have removed a section of coating, spray it with water and agitate the surface with a scouring pad or nylon brush to remove all of the residue. Power washers can be a useful removal tool for larger projects. SmartStrip Advanced is pH neutral. Once the removal process is complete, it can be immediately repainted or recoated. SmartStrip Advanced Paint Remover, the top choice for professionals and do-it-yourselfers.